In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make map designs in Canva. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished map layout you can share online or print, and I'll point out simple tips that keep everything clean and readable. Start by opening Canva and choosing where your map will live. You can pick a ready-made template or start with a blank canvas. Presentations are great for slides and digital sharing, while posters work well for print or signage. Think about where your design will be seen and pick a size that fits. If you're leaning toward print, a poster or A4 layout is a safe choice for online posts. A presentation or custom social size keeps things crisp on screens. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the search bar, type Google Maps and open the app. This lets you bring a real map directly into your design without leaving Canva. It keeps your workflow smooth and your map visuals consistent. Now insert a map. Type a place or address, for example, Big Ben, London, and select the result to add it to your canvas. The map drops in as an image you can move around. Place it roughly where you want it. If you know you'll add titles or a legend, leave some breathing space around the edges so your layout doesn't feel cramped. Time to customize. Grab the corner handles to resize the map without distorting it. Use the toolbar to add a text box for your main title, and smaller text boxes for labels, directions, or dates. Keep the font hierarchy clear: a bold title, a medium subtitle, and small, legible labels. Head to Elements to bring in icons, pins, arrows, and shapes. A simple circle or rounded rectangle can highlight a spot of interest, and an arrow can point to a route or entrance. Try using a limited color palette so the map remains the star. High contrast colors help important markers stand out. If you're layering shapes over the map, use transparency to keep the base map visible, and use the position controls to send items forward or back as needed. Consider adding a small legend or key if you have multiple icons, and group related items so you can move them together without losing alignment. When you're happy with your design, click Share or Download. For digital use, PNG gives you sharp graphics with transparency options, while JPG keeps file sizes small. For printing, choose PDF Print for best quality. If your printer needs edge-to-edge results, enable bleed before exporting to avoid white borders. That's it, your map design is ready to go. Thanks for watching.